Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permission on Tinder app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Tinder app, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Tinder app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.